Hey guys, long time no see. Welcome back to SOP. Hey, wow, that's a rhyme. Anyway, I remember the video we did back a while ago for Super Clean, multinational company. You know, pretty nice guys. They are really nice. So nice that they said, "Hey, you know what? Why don't you offer your subscribers a giveaway package?" I said, "Hey, you know what? I like that idea." So that's what we're bringing you today. Remember, we got Super Clean in the sprint bottle. We got the aerosol can. That's just what we have on stock right now because we use the stuff. It works. So, how do we enter said giveaway? Well, you know, you just got to be a subscriber. And there's over 1,300 entries now. And so you might be thinking to yourself, gee, 1,300, what are my chances? Want to earn a couple extra chances? Well, first, comment below. For every comment, you'll earn an extra one. Now, if you tell me inside your comments why you would want to use Super Clean, I'll make it a double. I'll give you double points for that. If you share it out and prove to me you shared it out, I'll give you 2 more chances. So everybody has a chance to earn up to a total of 5 chances. So, what are you waiting for? But let's say you don't win. You want to know where you can buy Super Clean. Well, you can buy Super Clean at Ace, Advanced Auto, Amazon, Blaine's Farm and Fleet, Do It Best Centers, Mills Farm and Fleet, Lowe's, Myers, Menards, Napa, O'Reilly, Orgill. Hold on, I gotta read it. Orgill is a worldwide distribution and retail service. True Value and Walmart. So, hey, I'm sorry, I gotta cheat. You know, that's getting old. You know, the brain. Anywho, but they've expanded their line a little bit, and one of the things I'd like to mention, although I don't have any on hand, I do want to try pick some up eventually here in the next couple of weeks, because you know it's the time of year where you're working on things. You know, is some floor cleaning. Look at my notes here. Virtually dust free is what they say. And you know what? So far, when Super Clean says it does something, I have not found that it doesn't do it. I've not had an issue with it. The tire cleaner, white wall cleaner, and you know, it took the brake dust right off the old road. And mind you, these were on rims that were quite old. And they cleaned them up pretty good. Spray foam, really good for cleaning grease off an engine, especially old Jeep engines. It works really well. All the rest of it works really good too. So you know what, guys? I have no problems with these guys. Their claims are valid. I've used it multiple times, like I've said, and have no issues with it. So again, don't have to do nothing. You automatically entered. That's 1,300 plus people already entered. That's a lot of names to put on the list. But hey, that's my problem, not yours. Yours, if you want to call it a problem, is to at least comment below. And if you tell me what product you really want to try or why you want to use it, just make a comment about Super Clean in your comment. I'll give you double points. So that's 3 entries. And if you share it and show me you shared it, I'll give you 2 more. That's up to 5 entries per name. That's a lot of names. So what are you waiting for? How long is this going to last? Well, let's see. Today is the 10th. So we're going to let it run right up till... let's let it run for another 20 days. right up to August 1st. So on August 1st, and still not ready to go live yet. We're still trying to put the finishing touches on the new computer build. It's still not ready for showing you people yet. We got a few other things we need to take care of on it. I at least am running enough to where I can make a video here. Of course, I'm still recording off the iPhone. Hey, it is what it is with what we got. So what's what we're going to use? So until the next video, y'all be safe and take care, okay? Got some pieces? Peace.